Hi friends, I'm Dr. Zainab Vora and today I want to talk about the newly launched books for conceptual radiology. We are coming up with a set of new books. I'll take you through them, so what they actually entail. So this is the first one, which is a set of 4 volumes. So this is your concepts in radiology. These are the notes which have been based upon the lectures which are there in app. So they cover the main gist of the lecture so that it's easier for you to revise and have all the information in one place. Ideally, these would be used along with the video lecture. So what I would recommend is whenever you are watching a video, open the respective notes here and add whatever extra points you want to add onto these notes. I've tried to make them as pictorial as possible, right? So I will just give you a brief overview of how we've gone about making these. So you can see they are all arranged system wise. So we have abdominal radiology, fetal imaging, head and neck in this particular volume. So each volume has some important systems, and you will see the most important topics, particularly from the exam point of view. What are the most important core topics which I would want you to revise again and again are in here, and it's a concise summary. You may not find it word to word according to the lecture, but it's summary of what you want to really revise, and more importantly images. I've tried to make it as pictorial as possible so you can see, so it gives you a bird's eye view of all of the cases, and whenever you are revising, you are quickly going through the different cases and seeing what are going to be their imaging findings. So this is how they've come up really well this time. And we also have the QR codes in front of every particular chapter. You can see the QR code. If you just click on it, you'll directly be redirected to the video in the app. So that makes it really easy for you to keep the videos and the notes hand in hand. So these are the 4 books from concepts in radiology, system wise, most important topics. So this is something which is the real game changer for CR, where it becomes very easy for you to revise. For the older subscribers who got the notes already, we have 2 supplements, right? So these are the 2 supplements for the subscribers. This covers the additional notes, right, which were not covered in the original set of notes. So in case you already got the notes, you can just order these 2 supplements which cover the extra. Apart from that, both of these, the set of 4 new books and these 2 combined with the original books cover the same information. So these are the supplements for the older subscribers that you can order and have the new updated videos, because what we are doing is whatever are the videos which are happening, in real time, which are happening live, we are going and collecting them and making the books out of them. So that is why these are the videos or the chapters which have been covered since then that we have now added in the supplement. So this is for the first set of books. Then you have the DNB master solutions, which include the solved DNB papers. This time we've made it very concise so that you know exactly what to write. I know all of us struggle when we want to revise our theory papers. You just want to know the gist of it, that what is it really in a tabular format that you want to write. So we always recommend that the papers you should write as pictorially, as a flow chart, systematically. So that's what we have tried and done here. So you can see that there are a lot of tables that you're going to find here, a lot of illustrations that you can draw. So that is what this is. It's essentially a summary and a concise review of the important topics. And you will see, once you've done the concepts book and now you come to the solved papers, it will be like a summary of the lectures that you've already seen in detail, right? So this is a very quick review right before the exam. And another thing we've done is, so now you can see all of the papers. For example, when we look at paper 1, 2, 3 and 4, all the recent papers have been clubbed together. So let's have a look at this paper 3. So I've actually given you all of the topics here. So basically, when you are revising, I want you to start by reading this. What this gives you, when you see these 10 topics through the years, it gives you a trend, so you can analyze what trend of topics is happening per paper. So each paper has a set of specific topics. So when you see from 2022 to 2025, what are the topics that are being asked, it also gives you an idea of what are the topics you want to focus on, so that when you are revising, in depth from the lectures and the notes, you focus on these topics. So this first page here of each paper I feel is the most important, right? Because that tells you what topics you are lagging in and what you have to cover, right? So that is about the DNB papers. two very tiny books here. So one is Spotters and one is Radinat. Spotters very helpful for your practical. I think if you just go through the spotters which are in there, I think there are around 700-800 spotters. I think you are good to go, and that would cover most important spotters. So again, you can see how we have covered them, system wise. We have MSK, thorax, abdomen and head and neck neuro. So you can see all of the spotters. You will see the image, you'll see the diagnosis and additional information. One thing that I can advise you how to read it is, for example, I'm revising the spotters. I want to cover the diagnosis, try to see the image myself, guess the diagnosis, read it. See the image, try to guess the diagnosis, and then read it. So that way you are quizzing yourself as you go and your revision becomes more active. So this is how you can use this book. Similarly, Radinat, particularly useful for those of you who are giving FRCR. Part 1 includes Radinat, right? Otherwise also every junior radiologist needs to be familiar with anatomy. So you can see this. Again, I would advise you to cover the answer. First try and label ABCD yourself and then try to see the correct answer. So use these two as, practice rather than, just passively going through it. So these two books make it very interactive for you to learn. So this is it for the books. I hope, you guys like the books. We've put in a lot of effort in making them and making learning as interactive for you as possible. If you have any other feedback, feel free to, comment on this video or let us know. We are all ears to hear that. Thank you so much.